Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Mediterranean chickpea salad. Now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient we will need is 1 can of chickpea. Mine is already rinsed and drained. The second ingredient we will need is 2 mini cucumbers. The third ingredient we will need is cherry tomatoes. And we will need some onions. Also, we will need half red bell pepper. Also, you will need about half cup of feta cheese. Also, you will need some herbs. What I have in here, fresh oregano and fresh parsley. You will need half cup of kalamata olives. And right here I have a very simple dressing. I have 2 lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 garlic minced. And now let's add some salt and black pepper to taste. And now let's mix all these ingredients together. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!